So hi there everybody, so you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can check your IELTS exam result. So for this you can see this page. I'm in this IELTSIDPindia.com page. I will give you this page link in the description. So you have to visit this page. So when you have registered your IELTS exam, at that time you would have get this mail where your user ID will be mentioned. So I have entered my username and my password. I will click. Okay, so now we are in this page. You can see this. My test name is there. My marks are there. My bands 5.5, 5.5, 6.5. Overall band is 6. So this is what I got. So I can just click on this to download the certificate. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need, but you can download this thing. So I hope you like this video and this video is helpful for you. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.